When most people think of a Bambi, they picture the small, iconic Airstream. Bambi was first introduced in 1961 as a lightweight, 16-foot travel trailer that could be towed almost anywhere by almost any vehicle. Wally Byam, the founder of Airstream, named it during one of his caravan tours he led through Africa for a small, sure-footed deer that was beloved by the Angolans, and the name fit perfectly. By 1965, the Bambi had been phased out of production, but the name and image had been etched into the American dream. Much later on, Airstream revived the Bambi, but it was no longer just the 16-foot floor plan, but rather encompassed any Airstream with a single axle. With the 2020 model year, Bambi has once again evolved to be a trim level rather than a single axle version within any trim level. Now that you know some of the history, let's meet the 2020 Airstream Bambi. There are 4 floor plans within the Bambi trim level: the iconic 16-foot, a 19-foot, 20 and 22-foot options. The most noticeable difference in layout is the refrigerator and surrounding cabinet. There's now ample storage both above and below the fridge, which is now all electric. The cabinet to the left of the fridge is functional and deep with both covered and open storage. The dinette is a great space to relax and look at the view, have a meal, or fold it down into a bed for guests. The texture of the Performatech seating is like a thick woven linen, and the accent pillows and duvet cover carry that warm, natural feeling through the Bambi. This fabric is made from recycled fiber and is easy to clean. This color is called Dune, and the other color option is Ocean. The main bed is about 50 inches by 76 inches, and the spare bed is 40 by 91, giving you extra length for taller campers. The floor is beautiful, durable, and it hides dirt well. The new accent wall is a textured gray and ties the subtle gray of the cabinets into the flooring. The 19-foot floor plan has 1 air conditioner and 2 12-volt ceiling fans to keep you comfortable in warmer climates, but it also has a heat strip on the air conditioner and a propane furnace with ducting to the holding tanks to keep you and your Airstream warm if you find yourself in cold weather. Speakers in the ceiling connect to the Bluetooth entertainment system, and the all-LED lights have a warm cast to them, making this space feel inviting and cozy. The kitchen has everything you would need for a weekend trip, with a 2-burner propane cooktop, a microwave, and the electric fridge and freezer. There's a surprising amount of storage, with bins under the bed, a closet with hanging space, a drawer under the dinette seat, and cabinets in the kitchen, sink area, and all around the fridge, not to mention overhead lockers throughout. A separate toilet and shower give you both space and privacy, and the large window in the bathroom lets lots of natural light in. The probeless tank monitoring system shows you how full your tanks are and how much battery power you have left. Freshwater capacity on this is 27 gallons, with a gray tank capacity of 28 gallons and 18 on the black tank. The quick refresh water heater has a 6-gallon capacity that produces about 12 gallons of hot water per hour. Whether you're looking at the Bambi or the Classic, the structure of every Airstream is the same. They are built to the same high standards, with the only variations being in trim level and amenities. This Bambi has an exterior shower, black tank flush, and exterior storage. The Bambi comes standard with a large awning over the door, backup camera, and 2 batteries. The only optional items for the Bambi are the upholstery color and a solar package, which includes a 90-watt panel and upgrades the 2 batteries to AGMs. Dry weight on the Bambi 19 is 3,650 pounds, with a GVWR of 5,000 pounds. Previous models of the 19-foot had a GVWR of 4,500 pounds. The increased GVWR doesn't mean that this Bambi is any heavier, it just means you can safely load it with more weight than before. Base MSRP is $53,234. The 2020 Airstream Bambi 19 boasts an impressive history, welcoming interior, maneuverable size, and lots of clever storage. So when you're ready to go camping in the Bambi, or have any questions about it, please contact us at Airstream of Scottsdale.